Consider an infinite length discrete time sequence written right here, where n is an integer. What will be the region of convergence of its z transform? We're given one of four options. So the way that I went about it is simply computing the z transform from the basic definition, this infinite sum, splitting it into these two sums from 0 to infinity and minus infinity to minus 1 because of this absolute value. So when n is positive, this simply translates to n. When n is negative, the absolute value translates to minus n. So we have these two sums. The next step will be making sure that these two sums converge. It'll be more convenient to write the sum as a sum that goes from 1 to infinity, and thus flipping the sign of these two n's. In order for these two sums to converge, we need to have the common ratio of these two series be smaller than 1. So in this case, we have 0.9 over the absolute value of z, smaller than 1, leading to this. And here we have the multiplication of the two, the product. The absolute value of z times 0.9 has to be smaller than 1, leading to this inequality. Combining the two, we have the absolute value of z greater than 0.9 and smaller than 1 over 0.9.